Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, you can simply see I created this custom grid line for using three different apps in same screen. You can see I can simply use Google Chrome. You can see I can simply type and search. Also, here is Microsoft Store opened. And then into the right side, you can see the YouTube is rightly opened. I can simply watch any video I like in a very simple way. So how you can simply make this, today I'm going to show you in a very simple manner. So first, what you're going to do, you just need to come over into your start icon, simply search for Microsoft Store. You can see your Microsoft Store, click on it, and then the Microsoft Store will be opened. After that, you need to search here Microsoft PowerToys. You can see here is a Microsoft PowerToys. If you rightly download and install in your computer, then what you have to do, you just need to press in your keyboard Windows Shift and this button, and then it will going to open the FancyZones editor. And after that, from here you can see there is templates that are created. If you want to create a custom layout, just click on create new layout, click grid, or if you want it as a canvas, create, save. That's it. If you select them, create a new layout, simply select them and minimize the background. And right now the trick is you just need to press the shift and now move it into the point, and you can see that your custom new layout is rightly created. So here I created this custom layout one with this way, you can see. So yeah, this is how you can simply create this layout by the help of Microsoft PowerToys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.